All right, folks, this is Tuesday's video. We talked about forms of quadratics. This is the general form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Here's some examples of it right here. 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. It looks pretty similar. 2x squared plus 50x. That's missing the c. You can't see it there, but it's missing the c. And then this bottom one here is missing b. You can see it doesn't have one with x in it, so it's actually missing the bx, and it has c as 50. So we talked about leading coefficient and how it affects things. Well, if the leading coefficient is negative, meaning if that a is negative, then the graph opens downwards and has a maximum, and if the leading coefficient is positive, it opens upwards and has a minimum there. Someone said positive means happy, and that looks like a smiley face, so it's a good way to remember it. The y-intercept is c. We did talk about that too. We explored it with different graphs. So if you can find that c point, you got the y-intercept. I'm going to add to this later, but as we go, we will add more. So I'll keep, and then I'll do a final forms of all the quadratics video at the end. So this is the other part we added today, factored form. And it looks like a bunch of things multiplied together. I know those both say minus, but subtracting is adding a negative. So if you do have a plus sign, it's not the end of the world. So we have a leading coefficient and some multiplied stuff, leading coefficient, some multiplied stuff. You can think of the x as like that one, but just doesn't have a minus 3 on it. Factored literally means factors are multiplication problems. So if you do 2 times 3 is 6, 2 and 3 are factors. So things that look like multiplication means it's factored form. Same leading coefficient stuff as before, so you just go earlier in the video. Have a good one, guys.